People often ask me a question, a very interesting question, but a little complicated as well. How long does it take to learn Spanish language fluently? This is in fact a complex question for me. It's not so easy to give a satisfying and a satisfactory answer to this question because a person learns a language at a different pace, and he or she comes from different backgrounds and environments that help or hinder the progress of his language acquisition. So let me try to put my little thoughts across this topic today with you. First of all, let's look at how it is in the case of English language, which all of us agree that it's not at all an easy language. The US Department of State says that it takes a person around 600 class hours to learn English fluently. That's a lot of hours, right? But when we do the maths out here, we can say that we would have to spend over 10 hours a week in a year to be a fluent communicator in English language with a B2 level of knowledge, or even perhaps a C1 level of knowledge in the language. This is almost the same with Spanish language learning as well. But for Spanish, you wouldn't need to spend those many hours of time. Given the simplicity of Spanish language pronunciation, it's not so complicated, confusing grammatical structures, and its strong connection with English language vocabulary. If you start out as a beginner and spend an average of 1 hour per day working so diligently on your Spanish, you should be able to reach conversational fluency within 8 to 12 months of time, This translates roughly to 250 to 350 hours of time spent. And this is because English and Spanish have Latin roots, and they also share thousands of cognates, the words that have the same sound and same meanings. Also, if you can carry out an intensive learning of Spanish, putting in at least 5 hours a day consistently, you will be able to attain fluency in it just in 2 months' time. I hope I answered your question briefly. That's all for now. We'll meet again. Hasta la vista. Adiós.